Hello, first graders. This week we're going to continue writing poems because we are poets. Let's start with a little review. We learned that poems are a different kind of writing. When poets write a poem, they start by looking at the details of something. It can be an everyday object like a pencil or a hat, or it can be an experience like sliding down a slide or eating an icy. Poets use their five senses to think about the things they're writing about, and they use their poet's eyes and poet's voice to write their words. Today, let's focus on using our five senses: seeing, hearing, smelling, tasting, and touching. A poet can think about each of their five senses to plan a poem. I'm going to plan a poem now. Read how I do it, or listen, and then you give it a try. I'm going to write about a rock I found in the park. First, I'll write the words for my five senses in a column down the page. Then I'll put my ideas next to the words: seeing, hearing, smelling, tasting, touching. Seeing. The rock is small and round, but not a perfect ball. Its color is a light brown. Hearing. It's silent. But when I drop it on my table, it makes a loud noise. If I dropped it in the bathtub, I bet it would sound like kerplunk. Smelling. It doesn't have a smell. I thought it would smell like the park. Tasting. We don't taste rocks, but I imagine it tastes like the dirt it was sitting on. Touching. It's cool and smooth and solid. It feels more solid than anything else I've ever felt. Okay, now you try. When you're done with your plan for a poem, ask your grown-up to take a picture and use Class Dojo to send it to your teacher. Talk to you tomorrow.